Hey there, it's Avi. I'm just going to do a simple tutorial of digital logic sim and doing some basic gates as well as functional sets. So if you have and, or not, those are the three basic gates which will give you a functional set, and then you could do any replication. I just made a bunch of random ones here, but once you have those, you could do NAND, or, NOR, X, NOR, etc. And then in addition, a NAND gate or a NOR gate are also complete. So you could see as follows. And that means that if a NAND or a NOR are complete, then AND, NOT, and or NOT are also complete. So I'll just do that quickly. So an AND NOT gate, it's always going to be on unless both of the inputs are on. So now we'll do an OR gate. Either or both. And then we could add a NOT to it, which is an inverter. And this automatically becomes an OR. Which is only true when both of them are 0. And then you could combine these gates, and if you take a digital systems course, they'll show you this, and then you could combine the gates and build up things on them. And NAND, as you might recall, is the name, or they call NAND SSDs, because they use this gate a lot in SR latches and etc. as a memory device. So the NAND gate will come in handy a lot. So that's a basic overview of the software. I recommend you use it and play around with it, and I will do more complex videos in the future.